Hi, this is Muhammad Rafiq. Welcome to my tech channel. If you new here, make sure click that subscribe button and enable bell icon for getting notifications for my future video uploads. In this video, I am going to show you how to add your social media account link on your YouTube channel. There is an option which is links on YouTube that will help you to add your social media account links to your YouTube channel. Before going to add social media link on YouTube, I will show you where it will show once you added the links to your YouTube channel. For that, just open your web browser and log into your YouTube account, and here just click on the logo, click on your channel, and it will open your YouTube channel homepage. And once you added the links to your YouTube channel, it will appear on the banner right side below the corner. So let us go and see how to add social media accounts links on your YouTube channel. For that, just log into your YouTube account, click on the logo, and here just click YouTube Studio, and it will open YouTube Studio homepage. And left side just scroll down and click on customization, and it will open channel customization window, and here click on basic info. Just scroll down and there you can see links option, and below that you can see add link. Just click on it, and here just enter the link title. For example, if you want to add Facebook, just enter Facebook, and here just enter the Facebook link. You can copy also, copy and paste. And I will add Instagram link also. Click on add link and enter the title as Instagram, and enter the link over there, copy and paste. Also I will add the Twitter account link over there. The title is Twitter, and copy the link from here and paste here. And I will add one more link, PayPal. Title is PayPal, and link I will copy and paste over there. After that, click on publish. Now if you want to see the links which you added, then just click on view channel, and it will open your YouTube channel homepage. There you can see all the links which you added. Also, if you click on it, it will open the link. I will just close all the windows, and I will click on Facebook. It will open the Facebook page. And if you click Instagram, it will open the Instagram page. And if I click on Twitter, it will open the Twitter page. And if I click the PayPal, it will open the PayPal page. That's it. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel, and if this video was helpful for you, please like the video, and if you have any queries or any questions, please comment below the video. I will look into it.